So you guessed it, I'm at the Dollar Tree and I'm looking for new storage containers for my newly renovated space. And the aisles are packed. And I can't go down this aisle, so we're going to turn around and see if we can get some containers. Looking. I called, but they wouldn't look up the SKU number for me because they were just too busy. And they didn't even say thanks for calling, just hung up. So I'm looking for a 16 by 11 by 7. So I think those would work great. And if they don't have them, I'm going to have to order them. So I'll let you know what I find. Okay, so I'm back. So it turns out they were still all in the box. So I found 17 of them. 2 of them were broken. So I had to put them back. So they are $3 a piece, but I think these are going to work out perfect on my shelves because they're not as deep as my banker boxes. And this is going to be great. They're 16 inches long. No, they're 16 inches deep. So I guess long. 7 inches tall. So this is going to work out really good. So I'll let you know how it goes. I can't believe there's Halloween stuff out already. This is insane. Well, if you're looking for Halloween, Dollar Tree has got it out. All right, I might just take a peek and see what else is here. All right, catch you later. So I picked up my containers. Didn't really check them to see if they'd fit, but I think they will. The problem I find with these boxes, with the banker boxes out in my garage, is they're soaking up humidity, and the boxes don't feel as sturdy as they once were. So I think my solution is I went to the Dollar Tree, as you saw, and these are going to fit perfect. So I had another one. I might be able to stack 2. I'll have to measure this and see. But that's going to work great. And they have nice covers, so I won't have to worry in the winter when the mice come in. So I think that's going to work out good. And I like that they're not as deep because, as you can see, this box that says listed. Well, I'll just find one. Yeah, and these covers, they're just getting cumbersome. But you know what? It's a learning process. So if I take all these that say 9.8, and I think most of my items can fit in here much better. So, yeah. These boxes, you know, they're a little tall. A lot of my items, if you can tell, you can see here, aren't as tall as these boxes. And I think that's taken up a lot of space. And I like the fact that I can see through these. So it'll be a lot easier to find what I'm looking for. And so that's my project this week, is to go through all my boxes and make sure all my SKU numbers are correct. And boxes that just say listed, I'm going to give them a SKU number. So it's a lot of work because this is not even half of my inventory. We have 80 something boxes on these shelves. So I'm going to get to it, and I'll keep you updated as I go along and see how it works. All right. Talk soon.